Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share with you some of my favorite tips and techniques for achieving that professional eyeshadow look you've always wanted. You know, when I first started experimenting with makeup, eyeshadow was one of those things that intimidated me. I'd watch tutorials and wonder, how do they make it look so effortless? But over time, with practice and a lot of trial and error, I've learned some amazing tricks that I can't wait to share with you today. Let's dive right into it. Mastering eyeshadow artistry is all about blending and gradually building colors. Start with a neutral base shade all over the lid to create a smooth canvas. Now, take a slightly darker shade and apply it to the crease, using windshield wiper motions to blend it seamlessly. This technique helps define the eye shape and adds depth. For that extra pop, I love using a shimmer or glitter shadow on the center of the lid. It instantly brightens the eyes and adds a glamorous touch. I remember the first time I tried this technique for a special event. I felt so confident and received so many compliments. It's amazing how makeup can enhance our natural beauty and boost our confidence. Remember, the key to mastering any makeup look is practice and patience. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. You're already beautiful. Makeup is just a fun way to express yourself and highlight your features. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and inspiration. Let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay beautiful.